Hi, Tatay Trader here, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we will plot our plan into chart for next week's trading. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, please like, share, and subscribe. At i-click ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated tuwing may bago akong i-share. Alright, so let's start.
Okay, so for today, we're looking for a plan for next week's trading. So we're on a monthly time frame, and we can all see that last month it broke down the nearest support from this zone. So let's go to line chart so we can plot this. Okay. So first we plot the immediate support that was broken. So let's change it to color green. Okay, so we have that, and now we need to find the nearest support in the monthly. So here it is, and also here let's plot this. Okay. So as we can see, 15,586 will be the next support for the monthly. And if we go to weekly, there we can also plot the nearest support. So we plot here and here, so we can see that 1,631 and 223, 1,623 will be our support. So if we go to candlesticks, we can see that it bounces off right here. Okay, so last week at the end of the month week, it bounces right off here. So maybe, just maybe, this will be the new big low. So we're not stating that fact that it will be, but it will be probably. So let's just react on the market sentiment. Okay, so let's go back to line chart. So we can plot this. See this one, and yeah, this one. This will be the support, turn the resistance, then support again, because this one breaks with engulfing, and this one was a pin hammer bullish candle. Okay, so this will be engulfing, and this will be support. Right. So this zone is probably a key level zone, the 1500 zone, and yeah. Next, if this 1500 zone was broken, this zone will probably get off the bounce, and gold will be bullish again. Okay. Okay, so that's for weekly, and we go to daily. Now we are on daily time frame. So as we can see, this zone clearly bounces off with how many pips? Okay, so that's 381 pips. So if we include the week, then it will be week to week. It will be 600 pips. So very nice off bounce. Okay, that's first, and go back to line charting, and we can see that this one will be the next resistance. Alright, so we'll mark this as red. This one too. This will be the next resistance also. This is the big zone for resistance. So maybe if the price go up here, it will be rejected and go down, because the overall market sentiment is bearish, because dollar is very strong. That's why this is daily. We should check this first. So okay, this is a valid support zone. This one too is a valid support zone. We will not change that. Okay. So this first 3 time frame will be our high time frame zone, or high time frame for long-term direction. Okay, so as you can see, again, it will be bearish in momentum. So we will just try to buy off retracements and go short for this one. Okay, so this one will be also a resistance because this was a support broken down and now will be turned to resistance. We already know that. So this is very strong support, then broken down by this candle, bearish engulfing candle. So let's see if this zone, this very big zone also, will be a resistance for gold. Okay, so let's put this on. Let's label this. Okay, so this one is a resistance, daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily so middle center, right? Right. This one is weekly. This one is weekly. Upper right. Resistance. Weekly. Weekly resistance. And this one is daily resistance also. Daily resistance. Okay. So we should put it on right. And okay. So this one is weekly support. Weekly support. Weekly support. Support. I think we should copy this first. This one is also weekly support, I think. Is this? Okay. This one is monthly, both monthly and weekly. So we should I will put weekly support. Weekly support. Sorry for that spelling. Oops. So we should put it on the right. This is the right. Okay, so this one is monthly. Monthly support. And right. Okay, so now we have plotted our support and resistance on higher time frame. We should go to lower time frame. First, we go to 4 hours. So as we can see, this one is obviously the resistance for this one. We change it to red and we look at, okay, so we clearly see that this candle almost touches this and then go back right down. So this one is probably a key resistance level for this. Okay, so we clearly see that one, and we should decrease the thickness of it. So we have the variation that is on a lower time frame. And also this one. This one is a valid zone, 73 to 74. Okay, I think touches. Okay, that's good. So we put a rectangle line here. We can have a zone for resistance. Okay, now we have a zone for resistance. Now this is a for our resistance zone. Probably if this goes again up, right? think if this break, it will go here or here on daily resistance, then retrace back down. If very bullish gold for next month or week, it will have a strong momentum going up and break this all of the resistance. Okay, but for now, I see that this one is a key level resistance, and this one, if the price goes back up here, it will go down also. It will be rejected as a resistance. Okay, so go back online chart, then plot. This one is, I think, if 4 hours speaking, you're on 4 hours time frame, this one is probably a support. Okay, because if you look at here, this is a resistance, okay, but it has been broken down by this candle, couple of candles, then now testing this zone, okay, this 1600 zone, 1660 zone. So now this is just a probably a 50-50 chance to bounce and shoot right up or break down. So we probably don't know. So we just mark this as support, but we should be very careful on entering this because we have a strong momentum selling pressure. Okay. So if this breakdown, we'll enter again at this level. So go back a line chart and I'll show you probably what will be the movement if this breakdown, if this broke down, then again we enter here again. Okay, we enter here. This will be our entry. Why? Because this will be a support turn resistance. So this will be a powerful setup. So we should take note for this one. Okay, so for now, I will just delete it also. So okay. So what else? For our charts, so probably this will be again a support. This one and this one. So I'm just putting horizontal line, horizontal reach for every support resistance that and I will consolidate it later on to have a proper plan for this. Okay, for 1 hour, check the candlestick. So yun. So this one is resistance and then resistance, but this candle break that, and this candle proves that now it is a support. It is a resistance turn support. So now it's currently testing it again. If this breakdown, will probably go down here, and or we'll have a short retracement here, and we can re-entry sell here in 16,600, 1611, 16,000, 1611. Okay. So we're on 1 hour chart. Again, I'll just be plotting again this support and resistance, and I will consolidate it later. Okay, so I'll have to fast forward this video to save some time, and I will show our final plan for next week. Okay. Okay, so I've finished plotting the important zone levels for support and resistance, and I'm gonna pause for you to take a snapshot or take down notes for this important key level. So okay, so I plotted from monthly to 1 hour and 15 minutes to have a sharp zone entry or zone retracement and bounces for us to have a proper trade setup. So okay, so I'm just gonna go into briefly to not to take so much of this time. So as the prices go down lower and lower, so it will become low risk entry. Okay, so this one I've mentioned it earlier. This one is a resistance turned support. Okay, so this one is very high risk because on the current price, and next week will be a new month for trading gold. So I don't know if this zone will be broken, but if this broke, maybe we could enter the same zone, but instead of buy, we go sell or short. Okay, so next will be this zone, this big zone. This will be the next bounce point for this. If this gold breaks this one and even break this, and even go to this zone, I think there will be some retracement, 20 to 40 pips more. So this one will be clearly a support level. And next is this one, I mark it medium risk because let's measure it in a proper. It's 132 pips from the current price. So maybe it will be a good entry for the first few days for next week. And again, this will be a fresh support, not including this week body. It will be a fresh support, so it will be good support for this one, for this bounce. And again, you should take note for this level. Okay, so next, this one is resistance turned support. So this one is clear resistance, but this candle, this bullish engulfing candle breaks that. Okay, so we can all see that. So now became a support, untested support. So this one is I think it will be a good support in lots of areas. This one is also a support, a resistance rather than support. Okay. Also this one is a resistance than support, untouched. So good support, and also low risk for this one also, and also this one. This one will be, we have a double bottom setup here, so it will be a very good support level. So, okay, so that's all for the support, and now we go to resistance. So okay, so like support, I mark high risk and to low risk. As the level rises, it will be a low risk trade because not from here to here will be already almost 700 pips, so low risk trade, I think, for the early days for next week. So again, I will be go over this shortly. So this one is good resistance, but it has been touched so many times, so maybe it will break down if the gold will be strong or the USD will be weak for next week. And next will be this one, high risk also, because it's near the current price, but it has not been touched, so maybe it will be a good rejection point for the price to go down. Okay, so next will be the medium risk here, a big zone, but again it's no touch resistance zone, so it's a very good resistance again, key level resistance. This one, all of them are untouched resistances, so gold will have a very hard time going up if they hit. Gold needs to break all these resistances if it wants to, if it has strong bullish momentum. It will break all these resistances. So that's it for this video. Please feel free to take some notes for it. Again, next week or the middle of this week, I will share again the outcome for this plan, and hopefully it goes with our bias. Okay, so thank you. That's all.
Dito nagtatapos ang video na to. Sana ay marami kayong natutunan at makakaasa kayong mag-share pa ako ng gantong video sa susunod. Tandaan natin na unlimited opportunity ang pag-gain ng pera sa forex. Pero may kasama pa din risk na matalo or maubos ito. So kailangan natin ng tamang impormasyon at practice tungkol sa pagtitrade. At kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to, please click like, subscribe at i-on ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video na katulad nito. Okidoks, bye-bye!